Hello everyone, welcome back. In this lecture, we are going to talk about group and sort by, and also we will learn filters. So, first of all, we will define group and sort by. The group and sort feature has an abundance of possible options to select for the display of activity table. It, however, is most common to group by WBS elements. This will show the hierarchy of the WBS and the associated activities all in the activity table. Schedulers may also create assign unique activity codes and then group the activity table by these activity codes. And as demonstrated, it is possible to group by multiple grouping criteria. So, first of all, we will learn how to use group and sort by. So, we will click on view. Here is the option group and sort by. So, here is the we can see option group by to level. We can see all level of grouping, group interval. So, we will click here. These are all the options available. We can see we can select which required to us. So we will apply group and sort by option. In first of all, we will apply it on the responsibilities. So we will click on it. We will apply. Here we can see these are the responsibilities of these managers. These activities are under these managers. So again we will click on group and sort by, and we want to check cost accounts. So here we can see cost account. We will apply it. We added cost account only for one activity. This shows to us. So now we will keep it by WBS. So okay. So now we will learn about filters. What are the filters? Basically, filters specify a set of parameters to determine which data is displayed in the current window. Create either user-defined filters available only the user who created them or global filters available to all users. So here if we will see view, we'll click on filter by, and these are all the filters available. So we can apply the filters. So we will apply non-critical activities. So apply. This shows us all non-critical activities available in our project. So we will uncheck it. So now we will create user defined filter. So we are going to create user defined filter. Here we will click on new. Here where, so parameter, we give parameter For example, we want to check the responsibilities of one specific man. So here is the responsibility option is under. We can check these available managers. We will click on it. So okay. So now we will apply the filter. Apply. This shows the activities under our manager. So that was all about in this lecture. See you next time.